Hey, what's up, guys? So in today's video, we're going to learn how to call someone without revealing our phone number. So if you want to call someone and you don't want your phone number to appear on the call, maybe you want it to appear as private or unknown number. So this is what you're going to do. Yeah, so the first thing you have to do, you have to click on this call icon here. So when you click on your call icon, there are actually two ways in which you can achieve this. So the first one, I will start with the one that works in most countries in the world, most regions. So first thing, you have to click *31 hash. Now when you click on *31 hash, if you call this, it's gonna activate your caller ID. So if you click on corner, you see outgoing caller ID service was enabled. So right now, anybody you call from now on is actually going to see unknown number or hidden number. Yeah, anybody you call right now is going to say unknown number or hidden number. So after making the call for the day, or after calling the person you want to hide your number from, what you just have to do, you have to click on hash 31 hash. So when you click on hash 31 hash, and you click on call, you see it says that outgoing caller ID service has been disabled, meaning now your whichever person you call is gonna see your number. So outgoing caller ID has been disabled, your number is not gonna appear as private anymore. Good. So, or if you don't want to do this, what you can also do is that you can click on hash 31 hash and you click on the number you want to call. You just click on the number and you call it like this, just as you can see it on the screen right now. You just hash 31 hash and the number. So it's gonna activate the caller ID for just that call, and that's it. So I know this feels better for most persons, because some persons may actually activate the code using the first method and they may forget to deactivate the caller ID. So this is the first one. Now for the second one, this one works in the United States and Canada. So if you reside in the United States and Canada, in the United States or Canada, and you'd want to do this, what you just have to do is to dial *67 and then the phone number. Yeah, you just dial *67 and then the phone number and you click on call. So if you do this, if you call, your number is also going to appear as private on the other person's end, or unknown number. So it's going to appear like so, just that for that particular call. So this is how you can actually hide your phone number from someone you want to call. And so if you love this video, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to get notified about more contents I create later, you can just hit on the notification bell. Thanks and do have a nice day.